guys, so if you have kids, Pampered Chef has got so many great products to help you get your family engaged and everybody cooking together. You guys, this first one is my favorite. I'm so excited about this. It's a mini vacuum. So it's got a little switch and it'll pick up all the crumbs that are on your counter. So if you spill coffee when you're making your coffee in the morning, coffee grounds, if you have an air fryer and your kids leave the little crumbs from chicken nuggets or all of that, or if they have cereal, it just will pick it right up. It's got little brushes so it won't scratch, and it even comes with attachments so you can get like in the crevices of your car, behind the car seats, or along the side of the air fryer, so that just sticks in, goes right along. You guys, I am so in love with this. Get one for your kitchen and one for your car. You won't regret it. So we also, if you heard about our Kids Club box, we have a new one for fall. We even have a series. It's not a subscription, but you can order multiples and they'll come every 2 months. So this is the September-October box, and it's Let's Talk About It. So we've got everything taco seasoning. We've got a fun pin that's collectible. I haven't opened that up. I can open that up here in just a sec. And inside, take a peek. We've got recipes and the mix and chop. So you'll learn recipes, and it's perfect. They're colored. They've got lots of information to help you and your favorite kiddo, whether it's a kid or grandkid, niece or nephew, get to cooking together in the kitchen. So making some guacamole, making a taco, and even making banana bread muffins. You guys, these are beautiful full color recipes with instructions, with science, with help and tips to help your kiddo be able to participate in the kitchen. And if they like looking like they're doing the right job, you guys, we've got an apron. We even have a chef's hat and oven mitts that you can order for kids. This would be such a fun activity, especially if you have grandkids around. You can order the series, get one in September, one in November, and one in January, and they're gonna be different boxes. So you can order 3, you can order 2. It's all however you want it. And I think that's all I had to share on this one. But you guys, when you get kids cooking in the kitchen with you, starting from a young age, first of all, they're more likely to eat what they help to make. Second of all, it's creating memories, spending time with you in the kitchen. And third, it's creating healthy habits that they will carry along with them through the rest of their lives. So get the kids cooking with you in the kitchen. And here are some products to help.